Hi, this is Mama Odit, and I'm gonna teach everyone how to make pickled turnip. And all what you need, just a few of the turnip and one peat and salt and a jar and crushed pepper. This is optional if you like it to have it kind of spicy, and about 4 tablespoons of vinegar and some water. That's it. So first you peel the turnip and like this, and you can cut it okay. So this is after I peel it. I'm gonna cut it into pieces like when you do your French fries. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, then I have the beet that what make it look reddish. So we're gonna, same thing, we're gonna go ahead and peel it. There we go. See how reddish it got. So cut it 4 pieces. I'm gonna throw it with them. I have 2 more to go. We cut all the turnip and 1 beet, and I'm gonna just put some salt. Maybe I'll probably 1 tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoon. And we're gonna just shake it like this and keep it maybe I would say half an hour with the salt. And then after that we're gonna put it in a jar, pickle it. You're gonna see it like this, and then now we're ready to put it in a jar. You can see some juice coming out of it. All right, it's perfect amount for the jar. So we're gonna go ahead and pour some water. About 4 tablespoons of vinegar. 1, 2.
It's quite the hefty tablespoon, Mama.
It's not, you can do large tablespoon, 4 or 5 tablespoons of vinegar, that will do. And of course a little bit more salt, maybe another tablespoon.
So like 5.
Yeah. And we're done. So cover it, then you can shake it a little bit. store it maybe for 4 or 5 days, and then you start eating it.